it's me again. Hello. What do I got today? Just another video. Quick video. Try to make it quick anyway. Nah. I'll make it nice and mouth-watery. Lots of blah, blah, blah. Anyway, well, check this out. I picked up an old Cincinnati tool. Yeah, hold on. Let's collect this. There we go. Picked up one of these. Pretty cheap. Why are they always bent like this? Can somebody tell me why every single one in human history it's always bent? Every single one. Like, what do people do to these things? Like, clearly someone's been welding on it because there's welding splatter. And I know Southcrafter recommended how to, I think the actual screw is bent. But then again, I don't know. It works okay. But yeah, I think there's a way of bending this. I'm guessing. Who knows? It's got a little, yeah. The screw is bent. Well, the screw is bent, so maybe I can fix that. Who knows? I'm assuming there's a way to pop this out of here somehow. I guess it's been peened in there somehow, or popped in there. Oh, pretty sure it's not just the screw that's bent. It looks like this whole section's Kaputskis. Anyway, it's a Cincinnati tool made in USA. I don't know what the H on here. I don't know what that H is. Deep clamp, 4.5 inch, number 573. If you want to read that, just a little. Hey, pretty cool. I like them. Somebody, I don't know if somebody sprayed. It looks like this thing's been clear coated because it's got patina on it, but it's not really rusty, and it's got a rather unusual shine. So either somebody waxed it and had it in an antique thing, or just clear coated it so it didn't rust anymore. The other thing I got, which is of absolutely zero interest, is a 1942. No, just kidding. This is a 100% piece of Taiwanesium that has the numbers 228028684. Why would anybody write their social security number here? Just kidding. I don't know. It's probably some serial number. Some factory somewhere where someone stole it from. It's made in Taiwan. If you look on the little thing here, it says Taiwan. What are these? These are cheap fabricating, locking, Visegrip style C-clamps. If you've never seen these before, you're probably new to tools. If you've been to my channel, you probably know I have about 50 of these. And no, I don't have any on this side of the bench. They're all on that side of the bench underneath. Maybe I'll move my chair on that side. I'll pop a bunch of these out. What's so good about this? Absolutely nothing. It's just a cheap pair of locking pliers. What I use them for? You can get the cheap ones anywhere from 10 to 15 bucks. Sometimes you can find these for 10 bucks. You can find these at flea markets all day long. You can find them on eBay in bulk. I seen like 20 pairs of these for under 100 bucks a couple weeks ago. You can find the Visegrip ones all day long for anywhere from 5 bucks to 50 bucks to 100 bucks to all kinds of bucks. You can find mint condition ones that are vintage, still in the package, new old stock, Visegrip, Chinese ones. You can find every knockoff version you could possibly think of on Amazon. Are they good? They're good for burning up for welding. These are actually made pretty good. I like the finish on it. They tend to line up nice and perfect. Like there's almost no wobble in here, which is surprising. Like these, they may be cheap Taiwanese ones, but they feel like your everyday awesome pliers. Believe it or not. I guess there's a pin that was glazed over here. Big rivet. Usually there's a rivet, and this one's pretty good. It's got a standard. So anyway, that's it for that. That's my little whole tool thing for today. And this thing, which I made another video about. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and if you like the channel, click some buttons and say hello sometime. And if you like my flaming head here, I'll turn the light off. Thanks for watching. Toodles.